Hey guys, it's Dr. Mike, and let's talk about back pain. It's one of the most common reasons why people seek medical help or miss work. In this video, we're diving into the most common causes of back pain and giving you practical tips on how to find relief and prevent it. Whether you're experiencing occasional twinges or chronic pain, this video is for you. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to back pain, keep watching. Let's face it, in today's world, many of us spend hours sitting at a desk. Prolonged sitting, especially with poor posture, can wreak havoc on your back. Slouching puts extra pressure on your spine, leading to muscle strain and pain. Sleeping in an awkward position or lifting heavy objects incorrectly can also contribute to back pain. Remember, guys, your back is not a forklift. Now let's talk about muscle strain. This is one of the most frequent causes of back pain, often happening after overexertion or sudden movements. Even something as simple as bending over to tie your shoes the wrong way can trigger it. That's why it's so important to warm up properly before any exercise and to use proper form and technique. Now, let's talk about a more serious condition, a herniated disc. When these discs are damaged or ruptured, they can bulge out and put pressure on the nerves in your spinal cord, including the sciatic nerve. It's a painful condition, but with proper treatment and management, most people can find relief. Chapter 4, Arthritis, the wear and tear factor. Arthritis, which is the inflammation of the joints, can affect any joint in the body, including the spine. When arthritis affects the spine, it can cause pain, stiffness, and reduced range of motion. The good news is that there are ways to manage arthritis and maintain a good quality of life. Chapter 5, Sciatica, when pain travels. Sciatica occurs when the sciatic nerve, which runs from your lower back down your legs, becomes compressed or irritated. This can cause pain that radiates from your lower back, through your buttocks and down the back of your leg. The good news is that most cases of sciatica respond well to conservative treatment. Chapter 6, Excess weight. A heavy burden. Carrying around extra weight puts a strain on your entire body, and your back is no exception. That extra weight can lead to muscle imbalances, spinal misalignment, and increased wear and tear on the discs in your back. Maintaining a healthy weight is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your back health. Chapter 7, Stress and mental pressure. The mind-body connection. When we're stressed or anxious, our bodies release hormones like cortisol that can cause muscle tension. That's why it's so important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. So there you have it, guys. We've covered some of the most common causes of back pain, from everyday habits to underlying medical conditions. Make sure you're staying active, practicing good posture, lifting objects correctly, and finding healthy ways to manage stress. If you experience persistent pain, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. Stay healthy and take care of your back.